Welcome to this Aftercare instructions video from Magicman. Our Magicman technicians train with us throughout their careers to deliver to our customers high-quality hard surface repairs. At the end of the repair, we provide an aftercare leaflet, setting out how best to protect the repaired area. We make every effort to recreate as near as possible the intrinsic qualities of the repair being made, and to that end, Magicman use an array of different fillers, coatings and processes developed over the past 20 years. However, please remember that it is a repair and care must be taken, especially after completion whilst the repair is curing. To protect the repair's longevity and appearance, please do not do or use any of the following. Don't be tempted to touch the repair. No abrasive products, chemicals or dyes. No excessive heat, movement or standing water. It's always best to follow the listed guidance. For further information, please consult your aftercare leaflet. To best maintain your repair, we recommend that you clean it with eco-friendly products or warm soapy water and a soft cloth.
Magicman complete all repairs using specialist fillers, resins and coatings to best imitate the original substrate. However, care must be taken especially in the first few hours after the repair. Cleaning and maintenance of the repaired area should be that recommended by the original substrate manufacturer, i.e. a soft cloth or sponge and a non-abrasive pH neutral liquid. Harsh chemicals, acids and alkalis, as well as products that contain dyes, can be detrimental to the life of the repair, as can excessive moisture or heat.